Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and just before I start today's video, I just want to make you all aware of the trading signal service that we provide here. If you would like to receive trading signals from either myself or the rest of the team here at Daily Market Movements, then you can do so simply by visiting our website at www.dailymarketmovements.com. What I'm going to do is leave the website link below this video in the description, so if you are interested in joining our amazing signal team, then all you have to do is scroll down now, click on the link, which will then take you to our website itself, and then that's where you'll see that we charge a very small fee of $249 for a year's membership. So one-time payment of $249 for a year's membership, so it really is great value for money. However, in front of me is the gold over the US dollar charts, and this is my favorite trade of the month. I was a buyer down at 1910. As I did say, it was the previous high going back to 2012, so it should offer some sort of support. I mentioned last week that I was a buyer at this level here because we did also form a slight hammer candlestick. As you can see, we tapped the 50-day EMA, and the fact that we traded back towards the upside and back above 1900, that was a very bullish sign. So I was a buyer from 1900 up to 1920. I sent a signal out to my signal team with a take profit at around 2000, and today we cashed it in a little bit early, but 82 points towards the upsides because we're now trading at 1982, so it's gone up $82 in the past couple of days. That is a significant amount of profit. So I told my signal team to cash it in, and well done to everyone on the signal team who managed to profit off that trade. And also I made it very clear on YouTube as well, so well done to everyone on YouTube who follow my channel who managed to cash in on that trade as well. It really is great, and this is why I love my job. I've had hundreds of you, well not hundreds, but I've had a lot of my signal clients basically sending me private messages. I just had one client now who sent me that he just made £10,000 off his trade alone, which is just great. It gives me a great feeling. I'm a winner, you're a winner, we're all winners, apart from the bears who are shorting gold, of course. But I still believe that we will get to 2000. We're only 18 points away from getting to 2000, which was my short-term target, with my longer-term target of course being at 2100. Now, if any of you watched the news this week, this weekend that just passed us, you would have seen a very positive highlight for gold, and that is that Warren Buffett has now moved a lot of his money out of financial. So he was heavily invested in JP Morgan and the likes of Wells Fargo, and he's actually cashing a lot of his positions there, and he's actually invested in gold mining stocks and just invested in gold in general. This is great news for gold. One of the best, probably the best investor of all time, is now investing longer term, because remember, he's not a trader, he's an investor, so he looks at the longer term pictures and he likes gold. So this signals that gold could be in like a new bull market, which I've always said it has been. Since we broke up at around 1,500, I said this is a great sign, and I think that this is the start of something special here for the gold and silver markets. So 2,100 is the longer term target. I do believe that eventually we get to 2,300. As you probably heard me say on Friday's video, that Goldman Sachs did actually originally have a 2,100 price target for gold, but they moved it up to 2,300, so that's an extra 200 points to the upside. From where we're trading now, that's 318 points more to go towards the upside, and I personally believe we could even go even higher than that. I'm extremely bullish for gold. We had that pullback which I warned you about, which was it needed to happen. Our size looking healthy, we're just trading below 60, which is great, but any big dip that occurs like we saw last week, it has to be bought, guys. It has to be bought. We have interest rates near all-time lows, near 0% in most countries around the world. We have the Federal Reserve printing out enormous amounts of money, trillions of dollars to provide stimulus deals and stimulus packages to the people of United States during these very difficult times. We have the US tensions with China, of course, which are always going on in the background. We have the US elections looming, where Biden is now favorite to win, and if he does become a president, he's gonna eventually, he can't do it straight away because everyone's financial position right now is very weak, but there's talks of him hiking the taxes in the United States, which investors just don't like this. It could cause some negative volatility in the stock market, and therefore people will take their money out of equities and inject it into safe havens such as gold and other precious metals like silver and platinum. So gold is looking very healthy. I do like gold. Buying it on a dip strategy works. I'm a buyer. It's only a matter of days now until we hit 2000, and then eventually we go looking for the 10-year high up at an all-time high at $2,100.